Since I was little, I always wanted my own secret room, and so today I decided to build myself a mini bunker. First thing to do is a bit of cleaning. General cleaning completed. Now let's start taking some measurements. Then, given who will dig everything out, but I haven't decided to make a very small bunker, 150 by 250, 170 high, and 50 perfect wide.
2,50.
Size is this one here. According to you, I should fit in. And after having traced the land, the whole area is delimited even with marking tape. There is only one more thing left to do. Shovel, helmet, and bib.
Let's go!
They forgot the gloves, guys. It's exactly 2 in the afternoon. Let's start and see how long it takes me. "30 seconds have passed. The ground is so hard that I already decided to change the tool. Perimeter don't. I'll tell you the truth, I'm already tired. This one who wrote Parma already broke the ball. Now with this bin here, I have to start pulling away from the ground and a half too, so little by little we go down. Ready to go. Small update, what you see here is exactly an hour of excavation. Problem is that if it were all earth, it would have taken much less. But inside, it is full of stones, debris, asphalt tiles, and tiles which I am collecting little by little. This little pile here, instead, I'm putting all the earth here. If I had had a respect, this thing here. 3 minutes. We have arrived at exactly 37 centimeters of excavation. Real shit. Really, even if it's only 5-6 meters. Bring the shovel with that bin with this fish corner on the floor, it's not good. Tomorrow I'll go get a wheelbarrow, I promise. For today, I'd say that's enough, guys. I can't take it anymore. Day 2, boys, just got a wheelbarrow. We should do a little bit faster. Today's goal, to do at least double, that is 60 centimeters. Ready to go. That is, look at this one. The rye has practically to the same rings as the growths of the trees. Each ring should be a season, therefore a year, and this seems to be the same thing. Therefore, technically, it was formed in how many years? This land surveyor write to me below. Okay, gentlemen, now let's start with all this piece here. It's not a small thing. If I stay here and look at it, it certainly doesn't dig itself. So let's go. Every now and then you find big beasts.
Yeah. Woo.
Now we're there. Day 2, I'd say we've done enough. We've practically dug 92 centimeters. Gentlemen, next time I will have to bring a ladder to go up and down. I'm vented enough that tomorrow. Day 3, after having examined the hole with extreme attention, I decided to call for reinforcements. Thanks to an Instagram story, found these two boys, Davide and Luca. Guys, we are digging today. Don't worry, because if we get to the end, there are 50 euros each. Here's why you should follow it. Maybe you're the next one to earn the money. Harnesses and gloves for you two guys too. Let's get started. Okay, let's go. So, as you can see, I'm going back and forth with the wheelbarrow while the two of them dig. The problem is that when they are there with the wheelbarrow, they don't know where to throw the dirt. So I went to the nearest DIY store to buy another one. Thank you very much. Oh, we have two. Attention, someone here is starting to get hot. Be careful. It's not like we can take a break because I call some unions. We're working so hard that we broke the first wheelbarrow. Let's see if this works. Okay, this should be polyurethane. It should never break. Mile problem e che forsi troppo largo. But you think what bad luck, guys. It will mean that I will have to take it backwards, and today we will use only one wheelbarrow. Okay guys, how far have we come? So it's a measurement from Luca. Then we have arrived at exactly 160 centimeters. Let's go eat now. You press here, sent, very easy. But after eating the pizza and Luca explaining how easy it is to use Satispay, we noticed that the excavation was very, very deep. So we decided to borrow the Squid Game lineup. Let's put it like this, guys. Look at the lineup I made for you. Without hands, guys. Without hands. But with pizza in your body, can you dig now or... Okay, Luca. How tall are you? He's 1.90 meters tall, guys, and if you put it like that, look, haha. Okay, come on, you won't be tired, and until it's finished, you don't go home. Guys, I'll throw it here 40,000 like. It's for all the future projects that I recommend you press the button, and Michelino spends the money. They're almost finished. Now I'm starting to do the digging for the ventilation system. In practice, here I want to put a pipe that reaches up here. I want to go up while a lid to prevent the water from entering so that we also have recirculation of air inside the bunker. It's engineering, guys. Okay, we're there. Now let's see where we've arrived. 172 centimeters of excavation. So you also want the money. It's a lot also convenient for exchanging money between friends. Maybe one goes to lunch and wants to share with the others. Practically do it like this tax scan QR code. 100 euros arrived. Perfect. See you tomorrow. Day 4. As you can see, they are now underground. Today we will use it to completely straighten the walls and level the bottom thoroughly. And then we can start with the actual effective construction of the mini bunker. It will be a project. Crazy. Even today, I need helpers here. Do you want the money today too, guys? But no, come on. You see here who is a little crooked, and here it's 120, and there it is 150. We practically have to straighten this point. Okay, the direction given. Now I'll leave the ball to you, which... We have here, gentlemen, a better than a bricklayer here, Luca. Straight worse than plumb line. What workers we have. These guys here, if I let them go, they'll arrive in China. They'll arrive on the other side. Look at them. Like Luca leveled everything a little bit more, but we're here. Are you dead tired, uncle? After about 3 hours of digging uninterrupted, we finally completed the walls in the bottom, creating a space large enough to do almost anything. Rather, Luca, pass me the spray can, then. You see this little square here? We practically have to go down 20 centimeters. That there, guys, will be a little gem that you will see in part 2. What will be? Crazy, guys. Actually, let me know in the comments and in your opinion what could be. So you had to drill and you bring it here now. Holy shit. My goodness, look at that beautiful little hole you made. The day 5 we'll start putting the wood in. For today, we'll finish here. Do you know what these are? The keys to this chosen van. Let's go buy the panels. "12 poplar sheets, a dozen posts, and 2 ashlar membranes, for a total of 350 euros. Like way this one here, and the membrane that these little hills are the bosses. The term derives from these walls. Practice with this here, I'll look to waterproof the entire bunker, otherwise I think these woods here would only last 2 days. The first thing to do is therefore extend the roll inside the bunker. First layer completed. To finish, the long side was exactly 50 centimeters missing, and given that the roll measures 2 meters, after having cut and put down the last piece and left a perfect strip to complete the short side too. Coincidence? I don't think so. I think to have thrown away money on an extra roll will mean that I will build something else. Finished 4 corners bunker was finally waterproof. For now, this project here is becoming something crazy. 40,000 likes are a few, so 40,000 likes and 7,000 comments from people different. So I buy the bulldozer for future projects. To help me get to the finish line, share this video to all your WhatsApp contacts, and when I speak, there is a strange echo effect. More than a bunker, it almost seems like the construction of a mini pole. Now comes the most interesting part: build the whole room with the wood. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. So are you starting to understand what I have to do? Subscribe with bell for part 2.